Hi, welcome back to Cancer Goddess Tarot. Thank you guys so much for tuning into a new Cancer read. So this is going to be for July 2023. I'm going to try to put it into the title or whatever, but if not, I'm saying it right now. It's for July 2023. So yeah, let's see what comes out. I'm using the Oracle of the Seven Energies. I haven't used this one in a while, so we're just going to use this one today, just to try to switch it up a little bit. But keep in mind that these messages are extremely general as well. It's like if the read don't resonate with you, it's totally fine. It ain't hurting nobody. But yeah, let's see. What messages can I get to Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and the Venus, of course, for July 2023? What does Cancer need to know for July 2023? What messages can I give to them? So we have Earth Magic showing up here. I feel like this is, I'm kind of getting like the Ace of Pentacles type of energy with this Earth Magic showing up. It's like some things are sprouting. It's like magic is happening when it comes towards like earthly matters, material matters as well. Yeah, that's what it looks like for some people though. Because on this card, it's like a someone barefoot, but it's like their feet are on the ground. And of course, it's like, I'm getting this energy of like grounding. It's like you could be wanting to get grounded because of like, it's like earthly matters materializing for you. So it's definitely giving like Ace of Pentacles type of energy where it's like abundance, some type of material abundance or financial abundance. So where it's like you're going to have to ground yourself. That's what it seems like. But let's see what comes out. 555 could be very significant too. Some of y'all could be seeing that because like right before I sat down, I saw 555. So yeah. So some type of change in regards to material matters could be significant for you guys. But let's see. Tell me more. Tell me more for Cancers for July 2023. So we have Awakening Genius showing up here. There could be some type of new information or like a new idea. We got a deep breath showing up here, even though it's kind of hard to see, but there's like a figure or like a face showing up. It's like very faint. But it says a deep breath. Lotus flowers could be significant too, or like white roses, white flowers, pink flowers could be significant as well. But I'm gonna have to read, because I've seen this card today, this Awakening Genius. Let me just see. I'm going to just roughly read the key concepts of this. What number? Oh, I'm using the wrong book. That's why I can't find it. Hold on. Because I was like, I don't see no numbers or nothing. Excuse me, but it's card number 29. It's in this book. So key concepts: the spirit of creative expression, bringing forth new information, birthing. Know that your ideas matter. So there could be some type of new opportunity, a new beginning here as well. But it kind of looks like for some people, it's like maybe you've planted some seeds, right? It's like you're a genius, but it's almost like, you know, like when you plant seeds or like new ideas, it's like you could be kind of like, you know, kind of slightly sleeping on yourself. That actually showed up in my collective read too. But it's like actually you're a genius, or some type of new idea is genius. And it's actually going to be very, very abundant for you, or possibly even bring in like, you know, a lot of financial abundance. That's what's showing up here. But it's almost like there could be a need to just breathe too. Especially if you could be like doubting yourself as well. Let's see. Give me one more for Cancers for July 2023. So we got the Royal You showing up. It's giving royalty. And then we got Broken Open. I feel like some type of new beginning or some type of new information, like a new start. It's almost like it's breaking away that old part of you. And it's like this Royal You is going to be showing up here, like a new version of you that looks very royal pretty much. And I hate to use this as an example or whatever, but it's almost like, you know how you see like in old movies, it's like the peasants or whatever you want to call it. it's like the peasants against the queen, but it's almost like the peasant, and I hate to, this is like the only example that I can give, but it's like a peasant, but it's like they're being broken open, and it's like a new version of them. It's like they became the queen or the king, pretty much. That's what it's giving. So let's see. I'm gonna clarify these really quick. Tell me about earth magic for Cancers. I almost said the collective, but it's for Cancers. So we got the 9 of Wands that came out. So wow, there could be something that you've been like praying for, or maybe even asking the divine here too, to about your current situation. But yeah, it's almost like get prepared for this. With this 9 of Wands showing up, it's like you've been through a lot too. With this 9 of Wands energy showing up. And I'm getting this energy too, to where there is like a bandage. Y'all know like the 9 of Wands, it don't show it in every one, like every tarot deck or whatever, but this one specifically, there's like a bandage on her head, right? But it's being replaced with a crown. That's what I just got. So yeah, him or her, you know, a crown pretty much is being, like your bandage is being replaced with a crown. So it's like spirit is crowning you. Yeah, like headpieces could be very significant too. And I'm talking about like very extravagant type of headpieces. It's kind of giving this energy like a peacock too. It's like very extravagant. Like you gonna see this crown, whether you like it or not. Tell me about awakening genius for Cancers. Tell me about awakening genius. Wow, we got the 10 of Pentacles showing up here, and look, the crown showing up too. The Empress. I feel like the energy has showed up in a previous read, y'all. But yeah, it's like your bandage is being replaced with a crown. And with this 10 of Pentacles showing up here, there could be some type of new information, like you giving birth to like a new idea or whatever this case is. But it's like it's putting you into this 10 of Pentacles type of energy, which is like the wealth card. It's like the family card. So yeah, it's almost like this could be presented to you, or you're about to get some type of information about it. But it's kind of giving like the royal palace, y'all. That's why I keep getting too. Because I'm like faintly seeing like temple. It's like those like very expensive looking temples. Very royal like. That's what it seems like. But it kind of looks like they're in some type of castle. Or possibly even like a mansion too, with the 10 of Pentacles coming out. Tell me about the royal you for Cancers. Tell me about the royal you for Cancers. What's this about? Wow, we got the World card coming out. And we got the Fool card showing up here too. Yeah, for some of you guys, you could have definitely, I feel like for some people, you've been in this energy with this 9 of Wands for a long time. It's like you could definitely be kind of like protecting yourself too, but it's like whole time spirit protecting you as well. It's like you got support. You have spiritual support backing you up. But I feel like some type of new information is coming towards you, where it's like you're really going to have to take a leap of faith towards this. But I feel like the way it's showing up here, it's like you may not even realize that your bandage is about to be replaced with a crown, pretty much. It's like you're stepping into royalty. A lot of success showing up here too, with the World card coming out. But yeah, I keep getting too, for some of you guys, it's like you could be crowned like publicly. I had channeled that in a previous Cancer read, but it was kind of given like a almost like a beauty pageant. So where, you know, it's like millions of people watching like Miss America or something. I forgot. I don't even, because I don't watch that. But it's kind of giving that type of energy to where it's like on TV. It's like you're being crowned publicly. So some type of public recognition. It's like they gonna see this crown, okay? or like whatever, they're gonna see your success, or it's gonna be like it could be on some type of platform or something. Tell me more about the royal you for Cancers. Tell me about the royal you for Cancers. Yeah, there's a major transformation. That old you, like that old you is gone. It's like, say RIP to it. Like you showing up as like the wounded warrior pretty much. Yeah, it's like that you is done with. Let's see. Tell me more. It's like get used to the new you, the royal you. It's like that highest like a higher version of you. And I do feel like too, it's like we go through like different levels pretty much. And you know, it just depends on like what your highest self look like, because everybody's highest self don't look the same. But it's like a better version of you. It's like whatever image that could be, it's like that's what's showing up. Tell me more about the royal you for Cancers. Tell me about the royal you for Cancers. But I gotta show y'all this card, because I'll be saying this. It's like my favorite thing to say. But we got the King of Pentacles. There's like a lot of wealth showing up here. It is definitely giving like, it's like a lot of gold too. It's giving like luxury, okay? Yeah, but it's King of Pentacles. I keep seeing like a castle. For some of y'all, you could be moving to like a big home, or it's gonna be like a major upgrade. Seriously, like from, not really sure, you know, everybody don't live the same. It's like not everybody wants that, but it's giving this energy of like a castle. But it's like, you know how like in those, like in the movies or whatever, it's like when people see this castle, it's like they know that someone royal lives there, like the king and the queen lives there pretty much. That's what it's given. But I was going to show y'all this card. It says it is what it is, but it's like your success. It's like this royal you. It's like you receiving your crown. It's like you receiving your flowers, or some type of recognition, whatever it could be. It's like it is what it is, but it's like you have to believe that too. That's what it seems like. And we got spirit of gratitude coming out as well. So definitely heavy on the gratitude surrounding like this new energy that's showing up. So let's see. I'm gonna ask, well, I'm gonna just get like an additional card. We already at 12 minutes, but let's see. Tell me about the royal you for Cancers. Something about like a big property is very significant though, because I keep getting like a big structure of like a house. Could be like a mansion or something for somebody. Let's see. Tell me about the royal you for Cancers. So we got roots of abundance that came out. So yeah, it's like your root, you're gonna be like fully rooted in this abundance, and this is like never ending too. From what's showing up here with this roots of abundance, because you know, like tree roots, it's like they're like really deep, and it's like the only way you can actually, it would take a lot of hard work to like unroot like a big tree like that. But you know how they be cutting down trees, so that ain't gonna happen. Yeah. So yeah, we got shining through that came out too. I feel like you guys are about to, I feel like this abundance, or like whatever this could be for someone, it's gonna be shining through. It's almost like at the period of it being hidden or something. Especially with that earth magic card coming out, it's almost like you may have thought like the roots were dead, but they were not dead. It's almost like some type of miracle is happening to something that you thought was dead. So let me get one more card here. Butterflies are very significant too, because I'm seeing a lot of butterflies, but also too, it's like flowers. It's kind of giving it, it's like within the energy oracle cards, it's like that cornucopia card. Tell me more for Cancers for July 2023, please. Tell me more for Cancers for July 2023. So we got quieting the mind, birds of a feather. Some of y'all are about to be like linking up with people that are royal, or like they could be like elite too. I'm gonna just say elite, but pretty much it's like they could be kind of like in a higher status than you. Not saying they better than you, but it just shows where it's like birds of a feather flock together. But it's like you're attracting people who are somewhat like you, or it's like they're gonna help you elevate, or it's like you could be helping other people elevate too. But you know that saying, it's like birds of a feather flock together. It's like if you low vibration, or if you a petty patty, it's like y'all gonna be hanging with each other, right? So yeah. But we got quieting the mind coming out too. But I feel like for some of you guys, you could be in this energy to where it's like maybe you could be needing to quiet your mind. Because I feel like for some people, it's like you thought something was dead, or it's like maybe you feel like it's not growing, like something's going on with it. It's like, no, quiet those thoughts, because it's like, shh, be quiet, because it's like, it is what it is with this, the royal you. It's like the royal you could be about to be presented to, you know, other people. That's what it seems like. Or it's like you're coming into this new way of being and living as well. It's like also too, I'm hearing to like expect to get treated like royalty. So like however that could resonate with you, or like whatever's going on in your situation, it's like you could be treated like royalty in the workplace or whatever the case is, but it's like you're gonna be treated like royalty. So it's almost like get used to it now, like be quiet. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and end the read here. Of course, I hope that was very helpful. Thank you so much if you stayed as long towards the end of the video. It's greatly appreciated.